Hey everyone, and welcome back to Fixin Two. And in today's video, we're at our friend Connor's house working on his 1990 Chevy Silverado. His grandfather bought it new, they sold it a long time ago, and they just recently got it back, and it's going to be Connor's first truck.
Welcome to Fixin Two. Missing some trim and that kind of thing. Paint needs a little work, so I ran into a tree, but that's all right. That's buffed out. Missing some trim like this kind of thing, and just simple little things like that. Interior's in pretty good condition. Got all the carpet and all that kind of stuff. One problem, so maybe we can fix that today. Headliner's about to fall, but you know how it goes. But other than that, it runs. Has a bit of an oil drip, but that's what you would expect. And we're gonna see how far we can get on this today. So I think we're probably gonna start by running to a junkyard, see what we can find there. Need a tailgate, and see if they got some trim pieces. Then we'll probably wash it and see how far we get. All right, so we went to the junkyard and we picked up a tailgate and an exhaust pipe. By factory, these things have a 2-into-1 setup, which obviously isn't good for power. So we're gonna splice in that little exhaust pipe right there and make it a true dual. So we started ripping exhaust out, and this is the back half, and obviously we have some issue. That's pretty much how it was before we took it out. So plan is, since we bought this bit at the junkyard, we're gonna weld this resonator on. Actually there's 2 mufflers in line stock, so we're taking the second muffler off, and we're gonna weld that where the second muffler was. Run it back, dump it out the side, past the doors, and then turn it on, see how it sounds. And if we don't like it, we're gonna run duals. So we screwed up a couple times. The piping that we bought the piping that was on the car is like 4-inch piping, and this piping that we bought from the store, from the junkyard, is 2-inch piping. So here's our solution. We have a coupling, which is 4-inch piping, welded down, beaten and welded down to 2-inch diameter. So this, after we clean it up, will be our mating surface for the 4-inch. And then so we screwed up with the way that we want it to do. Originally, we were gonna have we're still going to have it do this, but we're going to have it do it in a different way. But I welded this onto the wrong side. So we cut that side off, and now we're making another coupling, and we're about to weld this together. So this is the turn down, so this in theory will poke out of the side of the car. And yeah, so now we're gonna weld this up.
Well guys, that's going to be it for today's video. This truck has gotten its fair share of use as it was a trash truck and maintenance truck most of its life. We got the new tailgate on and did the exhaust. We're probably going to do more on this truck. It depends on what Connor wants to do. But until then, like, subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.